I feel happy today. What about you?
You're ugly.
I'm home. I'm so glad you're home. We should celebrate. Let's do something.
It's so good to see you, but I need to chill out for a bit. Wake up right now. I need to eat something.
Please stop hitting my face.
I don't think you're listening.
Can we please go for a walk? I really need your attention.
Please don't ever pat me. It's called consent. Can I pat you? No. Why is there tissues everywhere? I bet it was you, wasn't it?
Okay, you got me. I'm so bad. I deserve to be banished from your land.
I can see you're drinking that. It tastes good, doesn't it?
Don't.
My bad.
Love, I need love, I need love, I need love.
I think it's time I get rid of this stupid ass dog.
Fluffy, no!
Wait, you can understand?